Engine bay cleaning is one of those simple add-ons that you can offer. Now, for me personally, my process may be a little different than everybody else. It may be the same as some people. What I personally do is foam it down with some Dark Fury. Then I go to agitating it, and then I'll also use a little bit of steam here and there to get into the cracks and crevices. Once I'm finished with that phase, what I do afterwards is use a battery powered pressure washer to go ahead and rinse it off. Now, a lot of times you can just foam it down with like some degreaser or something like that and then pressure wash it off, but I also found that doing it that way, not all the dirt comes off. You still have to kind of agitate it a little bit to kind of break up that stubborn dirt. Everybody's going to be doing it a little different, but remember, it's okay to use some water under the hood. Nothing is going to happen.